Hi, good evening, guys. All right, we got a real special treat for you. Welcome back to Off the Grid and Pacific Rim Adventures. We actually got two of the best animals to eat tonight. We have a lobster, which I'm going to show you how to prepare. It's live. And we have a special guest. It's a live octopus. Ooh. Yep. So we're going to show you the most humane way to prepare, kill an octopus and a lobster. And we're going to make some recipes with it. So we're going to get back to you in a moment. We're going to, here's the octopus, okay? So we're going to kill it the most humane way. Now you guys have to realize these things are hard to handle, and basically the brain is right here in between the eyes. Just take a knife, really sharp, make sure it's really sharp, and you just cut them. And you're gonna see his tentacles are gonna go white. See how his tentacles got white? And then he stops moving. So basically at this point, the octopus is dead. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we have a bowl here. You put it in here and use salt, just regular, plenty of regular salt. And we're gonna start to massage it. Okay. This takes all the slime off and it tenderizes it. Also make sure that it's all in there. Ouch, all my cuts hurt because of the salt. But this is gonna be so good. So the salt really works as a tenderizer, and it also cleans all the slime off. Okay, hold on real quick. Let's add a little bit more salt in here. And just really kind of give it a massage. 2-3 minutes. You get everything. Okay, and then after this, show you real quick. There's two more parts. There's the beak, which is right here. Okay, so see that little black spot? We're just gonna cut it out. This, believe it or not, is actually a delicacy in in Asia. They will actually deep fry this beak. But anyways, today we're gonna throw it away. And then there are the eyeballs. One of them already popped out. The other one's popped out. The octopus is dead. We now have to remove the innards. So you take the hood and you kind of flip it over like a lid, okay? And then you just remove all the insides. And if you plan to eat parts of the head, which actually tastes just like the tentacles, except it doesn't have the little suction cups, you want to make sure this inside hood is also salted down. Get to the bottom of it. Okay, innards. Okay. So now that we've massaged it enough, we're just going to rinse it in cold water. Don't mind Mr. Lobster in there. Just along for the ride right now. Make sure all the salt is off. All the ink is out. And rinse real well. This octopus is officially dead and prepped for cooking. Okay, here we have the octopus is ready and prepped to be cooked. So we're gonna put him aside. Actually, we're gonna put him in some cold water, and I suggest some ice. So this ice bath is just gonna make it easier for you to cut. It will kind of solidify and tenderize the meat as well. Okay, we're gonna let this octopus sit while we prepare the lobster. Okay. So we're gonna make takowasa. Wash the blade first, and okay, so here's one tentacle for takowasa, one tentacle for takoyaki. We're just gonna like dissect this because it's kind of like what you gotta do. Okay, we're going to try to use everything here today, so we're going to try to use the head as well. So we're going to blanch these, and
hi everyone, I really hope you give this easy and delicious recipe a try. And that's fresh octopus today, so the ingredients you need for this really is fresh octopus, wasabi, soy sauce, shirodashi, salt, and sugar. For the greens, use some cucumber or green onions, but if you have mustard plant, that's even better. Now you take all the ingredients and you pre-mix it and adjust it to your taste and liking. After you've mixed it, you put it back together with the taco and greens, and you mix everything together, and voila. Easy as that. All done. Next, you just need to pair it with your favorite bottle of sake or shochu.